Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 515 nearest available drone. So let's read the problem statement. You are given a 2D integer array drones where drones of I has three values x, y and range. It represents the x coordinate, y coordinate and travel range of the ith drone. You are also given an integer array target tx, ty representing the coordinates of the target. A drones of I can reach the target if the Manhattan distance between its coordinates and the target coordinates is less than or equal to its range. We have to return the index of the reachable drone with the minimum Manhattan distance to the target. If there is a tie, we have to return the smallest index. If no drone can reach the target, then in that case we have to return -1. And the Manhattan distance between two coordinates xi, yi and xj, yj is nothing but xi minus xj absolute value plus yi minus yj absolute value. Clear? So very easy problem statement here. So let's see what we need to do here. So if you see this example number 1, so here first just pick this particular drone and this target. So here the Manhattan distance between them is nothing but 0 minus 3 the absolute plus 0 minus 4 the absolute, so it is 7, and this 7 is less than 8, so this is valid. Okay, same way if you see this drone 1, so 2 minus 3 absolute, 2 minus 4 absolute, add these two, output is 3, 3 is less than 9, this is also valid, which is within its range of 9. Now among these 7 and 3, which one is the smallest? This one is the smallest, right? So our output is going to be the drone at this particular index. Since drones 1 is the nearest drone, the answer is 1. This is what you need to do. Clear? So very easy, right? Here if you see now example number 2, so pick this first. So 2 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5, 7. 7 is not less than this 5, which is greater than its range of 5. Okay. Next is the distance between drone 1 and target is this 4 minus 5 plus 4 minus 5 absolute value 2. 2 is less than 5, which is within its range of 5. This 6 minus 5 plus 6 minus 5 2, which is within its range of 8. Okay, so these two are valid. Now here both drones 1 and drones 2 are the nearest drones. Here if you see the value 2 and 2 both are similar. Since we should return the smallest index, then we have to return this one here, the drone at 1 index as the output. Clear? Now let's go further. Let's see this example number 3. So now you have something like this. So 4 minus 8 absolute is 4. 4 minus 6 absolute is 2. So 6 is greater than this 5, which is greater than its range of 5. So this is not valid. And that's it. There is only one drone, right? So now in this case, no drone can reach the target. So the answer is going to be -1 here. So I hope that you guys are clear with all the examples. These are the constants. Drone's dot length is from 1 to 100. Drone's I has three values x, y, and range. Target is this, and x, I, y, I, t, x, t, y from -25 to 25, right? So we may see negative values as well. Range I values from 1 to 100. Okay. Now how you are going to solve it? So it's very easy. Simple brute force you can write here, right? You have to just go over all the drones one by one, calculate the Manhattan distance, and make sure that it should be less than this, right? And if you see these consecutive valid ones and having the smaller value, then you have to also store the minimum index, the index where you are seeing this smallest one very first time, right? If it's valid, that's also you need to check, right? So very easy. Now I'm going to show you the code. Okay, you can give it a try from your side once. Okay, I'm moving to the code part now. So this is the code, very simple. So here mean distance I'm taking as integer dot max underscore value, index I'm taking as -1, so that in future if I didn't update anywhere my index, if no drone can reach the target, then I will simply return -1. Okay, so that's why I'm taking -1 in here. Then I'm iterating over all the drones, right? So let's say there are n number of drones, so O of n is going to be the time complexity because of this. Then distance, Manhattan distance, I'm calculating math dot absolute of target 0 minus drones of I 0, at 0 index whatever the value in that particular drone, and at 1 index what is the particular value in that particular drone, right? That's what I'm writing here. So very simple, target 0 minus drones of I0 plus method absolute of target 1 minus drones of I1. Then after that, once I have the distance, I have to make sure that this distance is valid, that our drone can reach to it. So reach to the target, right? So here, this is the distance and it is less than equal to the target value, right? So we are good here. But we have to also make sure that we always store the first index value, right? Where we have the minimum distance, where we have seen the minimum distance so far, right? So here, what I'm doing here, distance, the value that I have calculated here, if it is less than this mean distance, right? So in this way, I will always have the smallest mean distance and the index where I see that particular mean distance for very first time, right? And in the end, I will just return the index. Okay. So it may be -1 or it may be the value that I printed here, right? So this is the solution for the question number 1 of weekly contest 515. So I hope that you guys are able to understand this problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.